So months back, I had installed the TEIN, however it's said, just drop springs, drop you about 1.5 inches, and then finally got the money together and bought the Flex Z 16-way adjustables, and got it a little bit lower. Must be my AC's going or something, revved up. But anyway, so lowered that, got those put on, and I thought I had it at the lowest setting, so I got it pretty much down to where there's no gap. But I put my head together and I believe I can get it a little bit lower, so I'm going to go ahead and show you that, and you can see the springs on the car as well. And it rides pretty smooth. I actually like it the way it is, but to lower more, it's going to compress the spring a little more, and then it's going to be a little stiffer, but we'll see. And it's got the dampening on top and stuff, so I don't know, I'll mess with it. And then I put my old spring setup on my brother's, so now his looks a lot better. Alright, so I got the wheel off, and this is what it looks like inside. But again, I thought I had it at the lowest setting because, well, I can't get this up, but there's no more thread here. But I have a solution where I'm going to be able to move the sleeve all the way up, or at least more up, so I can compress this, because this came in the box with about 6 inches in between here and here. So I got it at 5.5, so I'm going to squish it down another half, but I got to get the sleeve that's inside up more. I think that'll work. And then that's the top of it. It's got the pillow ball mount top with the camber plates. Where they had it set, I think it's like 3 notches in. It seems to be just fine. Wheels are straight, so I never messed with it. It's got the little dampening deal up top. You could change that to whatever setting you like. But yeah, so I'll mess with that. Take my those wrench things and I'll loosen them up and see how it goes. Alright, so I wasn't, I guess, thinking I should have looked into it. So, not that you could see it. Finally looked at the instructions of how it's built, and I don't know why I'm such a dingle, but anyway, the shock that's in here is, this is just a body, and then there's a strut inside. So no matter how much I twist and move and do what I had said I was doing, the distance here will never change, because the shock is all one piece that just sits in this housing. So yeah, so what I'm going to do, and this one will work because I want it to be as low as possible all the time, is I'm going to undo the main nuts here. Might be able to see them, I don't know, it's dark. Hang on, work with me. Okay, so yeah, like I said, this, I don't know why I wasn't thinking it through. So what I'm going to do is unbolt these nuts, disconnect all this, and then this should freely just kind of swing around, and I can move this out of the way. And I'm going to unscrew the body and take off this collar, and I'm going to remove this center one completely. And then that way these two plates will sit together, and yes, it's only 1/4 inch, but it'll be closer to my goal, and then that will work, so I'll have no choice. So remove that, then I can sink this into the body all the way, and that'll shrink that up. Oh, that was stressful, and I don't know why I didn't think about it. Anyway, alright, here we go. Alright. I don't even know how much you're seeing, it's dark. But yeah, so, and with both sides up, then your sway bar shouldn't fight you. Cool. So get that sway bar, move that aside. Alright, so we got all that down. I'll unscrew this as long as I don't lose the main strut. Okay, so I got all this loose now. I'll take these all the way down. Oh, damn it. See, that's what I was talking about. Okay, stay there. Take that out. I'm going to take this one off completely. That there. Now I'll screw the body back on. Don't forget the washer. It kind of bevels up, arches, if you were to do this. And take the long press. This is screwing that all the way up there and get back to it. So got the two nuts tight, got my clips back in, brake line's tight, sway bar's tight. Throw the wheel on and see how it looks. And here's the rear just to see it. See up in there. The top hat looks the same as kind of the front without the camber plate. But yep. And obviously you could drop the back in another like a little over a ½ inch, but then you'd be squatting in the rear, which isn't what I want. You can stiffen up the rear some more, so there's more thread here to stiffen this spring without really adjusting your height. But the sleeve is shoved all the way as far down as it'll go. Okay, job all done. I didn't mess with the rear because the rear was already tucking the tire a little bit. But taking that little sleeve out, or the collar, or whatever you want to call it, that center one gave me just what I wanted. Just barely tucking that front tire. That's about all you're going to get out of this kit, but still rides smooth. So it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Get that stance that you want. But yeah. Alright, thanks for watching.